Good morning, students. Welcome to our Google Classroom. All of you fine? I think all of you fine. So, let us start our class. Okay. Today, we are discussing about means of transport. Our new lesson. Means of transport. Means of transport. What is means of transport? You know what is transport? Yes. Transport means to take, carry person or goods from one place to another place. Transport means carry persons or goods from one place to another place. Okay. Then, what is the example of transport? What is the example of transportations? Yes. Car, bus, jeep, train, etc. There are different types of transportation. Okay. Then transportation is used to a person or goods to carry goods from one place to another place. Okay. Then transportation, the means of transport cannot used everywhere. The same means of transport cannot be used in same for everywhere. Why? Because of the distance. Because of the distance and money we want to spend. Okay. Then today we are discussing about three modes of transport. Three modes of transport. First one, land transport. First one, land transport. Second one, water transport. Third one, air transport. Third one, air transport. Then, first of all, land transport. Land transport includes roads and railways. Land transport includes roads and railways. For example of land transport is, what's that? Car, bus, jeep, train, etc. Okay. In earlier people is used camel for using a vehicle. Isn't it? Yes. Even today some areas people is also used animals for to travel or to carry goods from one place to another place. That is bullock carts, then camel, tonga, etc. These animals are also called beasts of burden. What is beasts of burden? I will show you some pictures of beasts of burden. Okay. Then in villages are also more uses in this type of vehicles. Okay. Then in land transport, we will use a person or goods to carry loads one place to another place. Then I will show you some pictures of land transport. Okay? Then in land transport, some are private transport. Then some are public transporters. What is private transport? Private scooter, cars, cycle is a private transport. And bus, rickshaw is a public transportation. Okay. You know the difference of public and private transport. Understand? Okay. Then next we study about water transport. Water transport. I will show you some pictures of water transport. Okay. Water transport is the very cheapest transport in our country. Water transport is very cheapest vehicle. Okay. Ship, boat, etc. These are the water transport. Then passengers and heavy goods are transported by ship. Ship is used to take passengers and heavy goods to take one place to another place. Okay. The place where goods are loaded and unloaded is called what? Port. What? Port. Port. In Kerala, Kochi is a seaport. In Kerala, Kochi is one of the seaport. Okay, Mumbai is the busiest seaport. Mumbai is the busiest seaport. Okay, then next one we study about air transport. What is air transport? You know, anybody say, what is the example of air transport? Yes, what is? Aeroplane, helicopter. These are the air transport. These are the very costly transport. Air and helicopters are the air transportation. Then these are the very costly in transport. Then next one. The pilot flies an aeroplane. Who flies aeroplane? Yes, pilot flies aeroplane. I will show you some pictures of air transport. Okay, then aeroplane is a fastest means of transport. Aeroplane is also a fastest means of transport and it is very costly. Then the runway is used for take off an aeroplane and as well as for its landing. Runway is used to take off the plane and as well as landing. Okay. Then next we study helicopters. Helicopters is used in the hill areas and it is very useful to emergency cases. Helicopters is very useful in emergency cases. They can load on a level of ground or helipads. Helicopters can land on the level of ground or helipads. pets. Some companies is provided the helicopter facilities. Some private companies is provided helicopters is the means of transport. Okay. Then sometimes elephants are used for transport traveling as forest. Sometimes elephants are also used traveling for the forest. So these are the means of transport. First one land transport, second one water transport, third one air transport. Okay, my dear students, you are understood this lesson. Okay, so all of you read very well. Okay, thank you.